My name is Dhaval Chawda, and today we are going to discuss about electromagnetic spectrum. So let us start without any further delay. These are the contents. These will be the topics that I am going to cover. Electromagnetic spectrum, major parts of it that are used in communication, uses of EM spectrum in communication, real world examples, and frequency data rate relations. So my first slide will be what is electromagnetic spectrum. It's a range of all electromagnetic waves arranged according to their frequency and wavelength. Higher frequency means smaller wavelength, usually higher data carrying capacity. Lower frequency means longer wavelength. Wavelength becomes longer, but also usually travels long distance because of its longer wavelength. Importance. Crucial in data communication as they are the primary medium for transmitting signals wirelessly, forming a foundation in modern telecommunication technology. So we need to understand this because it is the foundation for our communication technologies. Moving forward, major parts of electromagnetic spectrum. Above you can see it's a whole electromagnetic spectrum that we have observed, that we have seen in our 10th standard notebook. But the same fundamental we are going to use here in communication because we are communicating wirelessly. So radio waves, here you can see the radio waves. They are used in AM FM radio as well as TV. These are long range. It can penetrate through walls, suitable for broad coverage, but with low data rates. Because of the long distance, it happens. Then microwave, used for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile network, which are very important for us. Higher frequency equal to higher data rate. Infrared, used in TV remote, short range communication, and cannot pass through walls. Then we have our ultraviolet rays, X-rays, gamma rays. These are too energetic, too harmful for us to use it in our day-to-day life. That's why these spectrum from ultraviolet to gamma rays, we don't use it in our day-to-day life. It's only used for scientific research purpose. Next is uses of EM spectrum in communication. What are the uses? Wireless communication, as we discussed, used in mobile network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Wireless communication uses radio wave and microwave to transmit data. Broadcast system. Broadcasting uses radio wave to send information to many people at the same time. AM FM radio. Fiber optic system. Long distance communication. Undersea fiber optic cables. Next is the relation between frequency and data rate. In communication system, higher frequency band allow higher data rates. Okay, so there is a Shannon capacity principle that says data rate is directly proportional to the bandwidth. More bandwidth, that is more data. Here it's the capacity theorem. All channels are noisy. Shannon capacity theorem defines theoretical highest data rate for noisy channel. Here it's the formula C equal B log base 2 1 plus SNR. C is the channel capacity, B is the bandwidth of the channel, and S and SNR is the signal to noise ratio. These are the real world examples. AM FM radio broadcasting. AM and FM radio station uses radio waves to transmit music, news, voice. over large distance. TV broadcasting, Wi-Fi, TV remote control. These are all real world examples that we use because of electromagnetic spectrum. So thank you.